Okay, so guys, I just want to show you a little sneak preview of what we can do to help us add or push in or pull out detail from a model that we created. So I've created this boar, and what I've done is using a special method that I'm going to show you in the course, the Goblin War Chariot course, is I can actually go in and I can add detail into this. So I can put this on, for instance, 1 to get this detail, and this is the original detail of a boar that I created. All right, so and now what I can do is I can override that detail and push more detail into it. Watch what happens now as I start to bring up this intensity. So notice that I'm pushing in detail into this. But not only that, I can go the opposite way. I can pull detail back. I can inverse detail and have control over it. Now, in the finished video, I'm going to be showing you also how to clean up areas like this in here. But this gives you a very good idea how I can actually go in and change and add detail into this. In fact, I can go really crazy with it. And then you've got something like this, which is well over the top. And the original subtool that I've got is here. So this is the detail. This is the detail I put into it. And then I used an override technique to actually pull that detail out or displace it even more, instantly being able to give you that effect. Now, this is just one of the ways in which we can pull detail in and out that's especially handy for 3D printing. So stay tuned and keep an eye out for this course. It's coming very soon.